We're at the vessel, I think it's Circe. The date is September 16th, 2020. This is Corey with DS Diving. And we went through, did a pretty good clean. Only major flaw that I noticed was in the rudder. It's starting to delaminate on the aft end of it. So we'll take a look at that and we'll do a quick swim. And it cleaned up pretty nice. So let's take a look. That's pretty much just dead fiberglass, and like I said, it's beginning the delamination process on the end of it.